I can't let a week go by without cooking some type of pasta in this house. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a creamy chicken and chorizo pasta. Man, it's delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick roll call of what we have. So back here we have our pasta right here. We have our chicken breasts, and what I did, I just chopped them up and diced them like this. We have our chorizo sausage, did the same thing, cut them in little pieces like that. Back over here you can't see, but we have some tomato paste here, chicken broth, red chili flakes, that's optional, some salt, some oregano, heavy whipping cream, some fresh basil, a red bell pepper, some fresh garlic, red onion, and some olive oil. So, guys, that's all you need. Let's get to it. So before we get started here on our cooktop, I've already prepared some water on the stove. We're gonna bring that to a boil so we can start making our pasta so it can all be ready once we finish this particular step here. So we're gonna turn on our cooktop. We're gonna heat up some olive oil. I got this on a medium-high heat. And as it comes up to temperature, we're gonna add our chorizo. And we're gonna cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until it's slightly crispy. All right, so after those 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna start adding our chicken. Now guys, I add a little salt and pepper to our chicken. And we're gonna continue to cook this along with our chorizo. We're not trying to cook it fully. It's gonna fully cook later on in the recipe, but we're gonna get it cooked slightly through. All right, so it looks like our chicken is almost cooked through. It look like we got it brown on all sides. So now we're gonna add our red onions and our red bell peppers. So we're gonna cook this about 2 to 3 minutes until it's softened, until we get those veggies softened. All right, so after that, 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna add our garlic in here, our chili flakes, oregano, some salt, and our tomato paste. And we're gonna get this mixed in here real quick, just real quick, about 30 seconds. And we're gonna come behind that with our chicken broth. And we're gonna let that come to a slight boil. All right, guys, once it starts to bubble like that, we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. We're gonna reduce our heat to low, to around a medium low. Gonna get that mixed in. And what we want is we want this to start bubbling. Again, want to bring it up to a slight bubble. All right, looks like we're done. And we're gonna let it sit here while I get the pasta drained, and we're gonna come back over. All right, so now we're just gonna fold our pasta in. Now I got some fresh basil that I'm gonna add here, along with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Guys, and we're gonna continue to stir this and let it cook until our liquid has reduced. And it looks like we're getting there. All right, it looks like we're good right here. Turn off our cooktop, and we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up so we jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. A creamy chicken and chorizo pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control, because man, it look good. We need to test this out. Y'all ready? Let's go. Yes, it's quality control time. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Our first bite, we're gonna get some of that chorizo on there and some chicken. And we got a little basil on there too, guys. Take a look at that. Woo. Here we go. You taste that chorizo. Man, just with the chicken, I don't think that just the chicken would have been enough. Boy, this chorizo got this thing banging. Fire, guys. Definitely give it a try. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. Remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.